If you had to give realtors one tip for getting more business, what would you give them?
Partner with Bob Mortgage. Simple.
What if you had to give them 2 tips?
My tip would be to bring as much attention to your business as possible. Your job is to educate, but if people don't know what you do, they don't know how to find you, then you're not going to be able to service that many people. So bring attention to your brand, give your content away, tell people how to do it on their own, and then eventually they'll get to know you, like you, trust you, and they'll do business with you at that point.
What's like one tip you would give future home buyers?
BobMortgage.com. I would give future home buyers this tip. You have to do your vetting. You only are going to know about 70-75% of really what it takes to get a loan done. So do your homework, which I love, but then vet your lender. Find out, do they work weekends? Find out, can you get a hold of them at 8 p.m.? It's not as simple as pushing a button and getting a mortgage, guys. It just isn't. They need to know the programs. They need to be local to the market. They need to understand every single thing that's happening in whatever area that you're buying in, so that they could provide you the lowest total cost of ownership. This is not just about rates and closing costs. It's about ownership cost. If they don't ask you the question, how long do you plan on keeping the house? Run. That means they're not even thinking about your best interest over the period of time that you own the home. They're just thinking about how to make as much money as they can.
If you had to give one tip to a Cowboy fan right now, what would you give them?
To a Cowboy fan? Oh man, go to church on Sunday and pray.